Yo, GM everyone. So in this video, I will give you a short demonstration on how exactly MYRAD works. So MYRAD is a data tokenization platform. It's basically a platform that lets you monetize your datasets. This is our landing page, and if you just click on Launch App, you will get inside MYRAD application, and now you can use it. So we're currently in alpha stage, and I already had connected my wallet here, so it's just showing up. But I will just connect it again. As a new user, you will just connect it again, and your base name, if you have a base name attached to that particular wallet, it will show up here. So before I actually show you the functionalities, I would quickly like to give you a give you a basic overview about how exactly MYRAD is working. So it starts with an user connecting their wallet. Obviously, now they can upload their dataset. So when you upload a dataset, it is getting stored onto Filecoin Mainnet, completely encrypted. And to stop, any kind of malware attacks or any kind of spam, we have integrated a rate limit mechanism and also Virus Total API. Virus Total API scans through the entire dataset before actually uploading it to Filecoin, and then if it will basically flag if there are any kind of malware. So once you upload the dataset, it gets stored on Filecoin mainnet. Now, for each of the dataset that gets stored, a unique CID pops up. A unique CID is created for each of them. So for that particular CID, that will be attached with the entirely new data coin. So new data coin is created. A data coin is just like any other coin that you see. So it creates a data coin with a unique taker. And in the initial liquidity, it's $1 USD currently on base Sequoia. So the initial liquidity is provided by us, MYRAD team itself, and then that's how basically the data coin is launched. So now, for buyers, like anyone who would want to buy that particular data set, they can purchase that data coin. If they purchase a sufficient amount of that particular data coin, they can actually access that data set. But to access that data set, they will have to burn it. They will have to burn whatever amount of tokens that they got. So yeah, if you buy, the price goes up. Obviously, market cap increases. If you sell, it goes down. And yeah, the burn mechanism comes into play here to keep the supply and demand on the correct level. And basically now, if you actually need that data set and you ended up buying it, and yeah, you bought it and you want to download it, so you burned your amount, whatever tokens that you got, right? If you did that, so now you basically will be get that token get access to that particular data set. If you are more of someone who is speculative about it, if you don't want to actually, if you don't really need that data set, if you just want to uh, you found that particular data set may be valuable from the looks of it, so maybe you bought it and then you can like sell later for a profit. So yeah, that's how it works. And for our platform, the tokenization model currently that we have is we keep 5% of the entire supply. We send 10% of the entire supply to the creator, and creator does not have to pay a single amount to actually upload their dataset over here. And the 85% rest goes to the pool directly, where from anyone can buy or sell the dataset. So this is how the entire model is working. There is also a referral program that we have to onboard new users. Now going back to here. Um, if like you can see, this is the current market that we have all these data sets. Now let's say I will create a new data set over here. I will go here. I will choose this data set. I will give it a name like hot wallet data set. Yeah, let's keep the token symbol as hot, and total supply, let's keep it at 10,000. Now if you just create a data token, it will be created on the backend. Once you do that, uh, it will take a couple of seconds, and also I can also show you that this is how it looks basically. Like this is our address that is minting the token, just like here. And this is the amount, like this is the factory address, and this is the token address, and this is the pool address that is being generated over here. So yep, it got generated. You can come here and see this hot wallet dataset. Its ticker is hot. It's different than the one I showed you just now. So yeah, you already have 1,000 token in your balance because you are the creator, right? So the total supply is this, the initial price is this, depending on $1 initial USD liquidity. Now, basically, I have two options. Either I can, buy more, or maybe I can sell for profit, or I can even burn it. Like I'm saying from a user perspective, if you are the creator, then you would probably wait for, to wait for the price to go up. Once it goes up, you can like sell your tokens to make a profit. And yeah, that's how it works. If like I will show you with one example, I will buy one worth of one USD worth of hot tokens. Yep, this time it's working. Transaction request is there. I will sign it, and yeah, you can see the balance is now 5,000, and the price also went up. So I bought more tokens, right? That's why the price went up. You can actually see this in your MetaMask as well. I don't know why it's still showing it's not done, although it's done actually. It's probably a UI issue. You can see that the token was transferred to this wallet. There was a buy function that got called over here. Now I can also sell, or I can burn for download access now. To show you how burn is working, I will click on this. I'll try it again. And yeah, this time it worked. So once I do this, yep, you can see the dataset got downloaded automatically. Now if I go to my MetaMask, I can see this contract interaction. You can see that I just the tokens got sent to the null address, which means they got burned, and that will affect the price. So also, if you come to my dataset, you can see whatever datasets that you created, whatever datasets you purchased. And also, you can do the same with any of the dataset that is available in the current market. And yeah, that's how basically MYRAD works. Also, we have community data over here. This is a new feature that we plan to add very soon. So here, basically, users can contribute to a particular dataset, and if they contribute to it, they would be eligible for points, maybe some tokens. The incentivized mechanism will be there. So yeah, this is how the entire MYRAD is working all together, and yeah, that's how it is.